Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring you our daily market bias video for Wednesday, July 14th. It's approximately 5 minutes to 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We were to take a look at the overseas markets in Asia. Asia traded mainly lower with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which is trading higher at this particular time. Currently right now in Europe, and its current ongoing as Europe is open trading. Europe is also trading mainly to the downside with the exception of the Milan exchange, which is trading to positive territory. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, the US dollar is trading lower. The bonds, however, are trading higher. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading to the upside. And the indices themselves are mixed. The S&P and NASDAQ are trading higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is trading lower, although fractionally at this particular time. Gold is trading higher. Crude oil is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets, unlike yesterday where we had the CPI data out, today we have PPI, which is Producer Price Index. We have PPI, we have core PPI out at 8:30 a.m. These are major. These are proven market movers. At 10:30 a.m. we have crude oil inventories, which is typical, usual, customary for Wednesday. And then at 12 noon we have the Fed Chair Powell speaking, I believe to a congressional committee. And lastly, at 2 p.m. this afternoon we have the Fed Beige Book. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias is very simply we're not seeing much in the way of correlation, if you will. We have the U.S. dollar trading lower. The bonds, however, are trading higher. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading to the upside. And it appears as though the indices themselves are mixed. The S&P is trading higher, the NASDAQ is trading higher, Dow Jones Industrial Average is trading lower. Gold is trading high, which typically means that the indices themselves ought to be pointing to the downside. They are not. So what we're dealing with very much is a mixed bag, and basically for us it means the markets could go anywhere today, which would suggest a neutral bias or potentially a mixed bias. And in fact, right now the indices are trading mixed. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything's possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.